Hi, I'm Bridget from E-Cloth, and today we are going to help clean that windshield with the Windshield Haze Eraser. We all know how frequently our windshields get dirty and how much of a pain it is to clean it. That's where our Windshield Haze Eraser comes in. This pad is two-sided. The waffle weave side is the cleaning side, and the smooth side is for drying. We recommend that you use a spray bottle to spray the inside of the windshield, and then use the waffle side to clean your window. Once you think you've removed the haze from the window, flip over the pad to the smooth side and dry the window. For those of you familiar with our window cleaning kit, because it is our very best seller, we have made it into a pad for easy storage in your car. It's important to note that you will not want to run the pad underwater to use. We recommend spraying the windshield surface with water and again, clean with the waffle weave side and dry with the smooth side. The Windshield Haze Eraser can be washed in the washing machine with regular laundry detergent, no bleach, fabric softener, or dryer sheets, and then can go in the dryer or be line dried. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment below to let us know how much you love the Windshield Haze Eraser. See you soon.